All right, welcome back to South Bay Ford in Lincoln. And today we're going to be discussing the Splash package that comes on the Ford Rangers. Let us know what you think of it. We're going to give you a little tour of it here on a couple different Rangers that we have on the lot. So on this one, it starts off right here, which is the front of the vehicle. Starts off and kind of glides all the way down to the side over this back wheel, around the back part here, and then up onto the tailgate, and obviously wraps back around to the other side. Once again, here it is on a gray Ranger. Same thing, starts on the front, wraps down, back up on the tailgate, back down. So you can see it on the gray and you can see it on white. White, I like it. It adds a lot of style to the car. You gotta let us know what you think of this package. If you like it, thumbs up, thumbs down, let us know in the comments below. Once again, thanks for watching South Bay Ford in Lincoln.